Do not. Go ahead and refresh it. All right. Do not. Go ahead and refresh it. All right. Here, I'll put on speaker. Say hi, Hannah.
Hi.
It's Tisha.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, she's watching you, so you gotta stay here.
It's Hannah. Hi. Hi. I miss you.
Here, get back on my lap so they can see, 'cause there's a delay. You gonna talk to Deja?
Yeah.
Well, talk to her. She can hear you on the phone.
Hi. Deja!
Don't yell on the phone.
Deja.
Mommy knows. Tell Deja she's gotta come out to visit.
Come out to visit.
Say hi, it's Deja.
Hi.
Ask her what she's doing.
Well, what are you doing? Come here.
It's all staticky. It's probably Daddy's phone or Mommy's phone.
I found a new house.
Yeah, they're in their new house.
Hi. Hi. I love you. I can't find pictures.
Here, you can talk in here too if you want.
I'm having fun. Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I talk to your daddy?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me take it off speaker.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can you hear me? I don't know if my phone can do that. I think the iPhone's just good in here. We already got visitors, so I'm going to go ahead and kill the broadcast, and I'm going to talk to you on the phone real quick.